Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best pool skimmer baskets on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Hayward SPX1091C Basket. Easy to get in and out, the Hayward SPX1091C is well designed and offers excellent value for money, while also being an SPX1091C. This means that you can easily select the correct basket by model number. The basket has a convenient handle that makes it very easy to maneuver, and it makes cleaning an above-ground pool very easy. When we looked at the reviews from consumers who used this pool basket skimmer, we noticed that most of them mentioned and that it has a durable construction that is bound to last for years. The handle is also sturdy and doesn't have the tendency to break after a number of uses like in the case of low-quality products. Pros: easy to use handle. Fits multiple Hayward models. Durable. Cons: may crack if you bang it too hard. Number 2. Our second best pick is Pentair STA Right U3 Skimmer Basket. If you want to get ready for the swimming season without breaking the bank, the Pentair 0865000007 is just the right pool skimmer basket for you. Made from plastic and sporting a metal handle, this skimmer basket fits the STA Right U3 vinyl liner skimmer, Hayward SP1070 Skim Master Skimmer and the Pentair Bermuda skimmer, thus being a versatile option to suit the needs of various users. We found the construction of the Pentair 0865000007 to be on the solid side, and users mentioned rim and the metal handle adds some extra weight so the basket sits better in the skimmer. Some users mentioned that the metal handle tends to pop out rather often, though, but that is something that is to be expected with most skimmers when they're full. Pros: sturdy metal handle. Fits multiple brands of skimmers. Solid construction. Cons: handles may pop out when in use. Number 3. Our third best pick is Custom Molded Products GVT SPHP Skimmer Basket. Suitable for standard size skimmers, the Custom Molded Products 27182-300 is an excellent choice for those duty plastic so it stands up to the sun. We like the ergonomic handle that makes it easy to remove the basket from the skimmer. The vented handle guarantees a continuous flow of water even when the collection basket is full. Users who reviewed this skimmer basket particularly liked the fact that this basket is adequately weighted, which means designed to fit most standard size skimmers. This basket may require a bit of fiddling to be able to use it with some skimmer models, so it's a good idea to read some reviews from consumers who used it with the particular type of skimmer you intend to use. Pros: made from heavy-duty plastic. Fits numerous types of skimmers. Ergonomic handle. Cons: may not be a perfect fit for some skimmers. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Pentair 516112 Handle Basket. The Pentair 516112 is a high-quality skimmer basket that comes with a metal handle that is lifted for extra easy use. We like the placement of the metal handle as well as the fact that it is slightly curved upwards, which makes it easier to use when compared with some of the other models we've seen. This skimmer basket is very easy to install and use and is also compatible with Pentair Bermuda Gunite, and flimsy like some of the cheaper, low-quality skimmers out there, And also that the metal handle doesn't pull out of the basket when removing it from the skimmer. Reviewers also mentioned that the open and clear design of the Pentair 516112 results in a better flow and increased skimmer performance. Pros: highly durable, smart design, lifted metal handle. Cons: price. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is SkimPro Tower Vented Skimmer Basket. The tower vent design of the SkimPro Tower is an innovative one, and its purpose is to allow the water to flow through the basket, even when it is full of leaves and other debris. It works with the majority of skimmers, and we liked its very solid construction. In fact, we thought it was one of the most heavy-duty skimmer baskets available on the market. The SkimPro Tower is a very good option for those who want to safeguard their pump more, as it allows it to work even when the basket is full. Some of the users who reviewed this vented pool model compatibility beforehand, maybe by looking at reviews. The basket is compatible with Hayward Skimmer SP1070, Jacuzzi Deckmate, SwimQuip, PackFab, and American Products skimmers. Pros: compatible with multiple brands of skimmers. Protects the motor pump from running dry. Heavy-duty construction. Cons: expensive. Could be heavier to avoid floating when the pump shuts off. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.